Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase the Ultimo GG token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything that you need to do to purchase this token. Before we get started here, though, I'd like to remind you guys that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on this channel. So if you guys are interested in buying crypto, selling, and more within the crypto space in the future, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first thing that we need to do is open up our Trust Wallet. I'm not going to show you guys how to create a Trust Wallet or how to transfer your BNB or buy BNB in this video. I will have videos linked in the description and in the comment section down below if you guys need to learn how to buy or transfer BNB into Trust Wallet, or if you guys need to learn how to create a Trust Wallet. So first thing we need to do once you have your BNB inside of your Trust Wallet here is we'll have to add the Ultimo GG token to our Trust Wallets. And to do that, I'll have a link in the description over to the BSC scan page to get the contract address for this token. So you guys just want to head over to the BSC scan page I have in the description, and you want to scroll down and you want to find the contract address right here, and you want to click on copy on that. Once you guys copy that, you can head back over to Trust Wallet. And what you have to do is go to the top right corner where you see the two lines and the two circles, click on that. And then you want to paste that contract address in this search bar that we have up here at the top. Once you guys do that, it'll say add custom token here. So we can click on add custom token. And that's going to ask us what network. We want to click on Ethereum here where it says it, and then switch it to Smart Chain. Paste the contract address in this paste section, and then everything else will automatically load in for us right here. Once we have that there, we can click on save in the top right corner. And then the token will then be in our wallets here, so we're able to go ahead and purchase it. So now what we'll have to do at this point is we'll have to go ahead over to PancakeSwap, and I'll have a link in the description over for that as well. So if you guys just head over to that link I have in the description, it'll bring us over to PancakeSwap. And I'd just like to show everyone as well that you can add PancakeSwap to your home screen and make it easier to access. And you could do that by clicking on this little share button at the bottom, scrolling down, and then clicking on add to home screen. And then you can go ahead and add PancakeSwap to your home screen so you're able to use it quickly and whenever you need to use it. So I'm going to show you guys from the application that I made by doing this on how to do it, but you guys can just follow along with this tutorial and just do it in your browser if you would like to as well. I just find it a lot easier to use the application, so I'll go ahead and open that up right now. But like I said, exact same way, so feel free to follow along that way as well. But once you guys are on the home page of PancakeSwap, all you guys need to do is click on the three lines and then click on trade and then exchange. Once you guys do that, you'll then be on the exchange here, and all we have to do is connect our wallets to PancakeSwap. And to do that, we want to click on Connect at the top right of the screen, and then click on Wallet Connect. Once we click on Wallet Connect, we want to click on the Trust Wallet option, and then it's going to open up our Trust Wallet, asking us to connect it to PancakeSwap. So we can just go ahead and click on Connect, and then go back to our browser. Once we're back in PancakeSwap and our wallet is connected, you'll know that is true when you see in the top right corner your wallet address and then your balance of BNB right above your BNB as well. But all we have to do now is click on select a currency, and we want to paste that same address that we got from BSC scan into this section as well. So we just click on paste there, and then you'll see the ULTGG token. So we can just go ahead and click on import, I understand, and import. Once we have this done here, we'll have to change our slippage tolerance to roughly 12%. You could do that just by going beside where it says exchange, where I have that little red circle, clicking on that, and then changing your slippage tolerance right here to 12%. You guys can try different slippage tolerances if you want, but you do pay a fee every time that you try to complete the transaction. So I just put 12% so I know the transaction will go through the first time that I try to put it through. Anyhow, like I said, you guys can use your own slippage tolerances if you want. They just recommend using 10 to 12% on their page. Anyhow, if you guys just exit out of here, you can decide how much BNB that you want to transfer over into the ULTGG token. So let's just say, for example, if I want to do 0.2, I could type in 0.2, and then it'll tell me right here how much I'll get in exchange for this token. Now, if you guys are okay with what you see here, you can go ahead and click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It'll just tell you to continue on for your swap. It'll show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you exactly how much you're paying and things like that on that next page. Now, if you guys are okay with what you see on that next page, you can go ahead and click on confirm for the swap. It will then tell you that your transaction is successful, and then you can go ahead and go back over to your Trust Wallet, and your tokens should arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to purchase this token. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.